Hello friends, welcome to my channel Embedded Duniya. Today's topic is PCB design tips and tricks. This presentation will guide you through the fundamentals of PCB design, exploring essential tips and tricks to ensure optimum performance, reliability and efficiency in your circuit board projects. Importance of proper planning. Requirement analysis. Start by thoroughly understanding the specific requirements and functionalities of your circuit. Identify the essential components, their specifications, and the overall functionality of the circuit. Design goals and constraints. Define clear design goals such as performance. Achieving optimal layout. Component placement. Strategically place components based on functionality, signal paths, and the thermal considerations. Minimize component density to enhance airflow and reduce heat buildup. Signal routing. Route signals efficiently, keeping traces as short and direct. Managing power and ground planes. Power plane design. Create a dedicated power plane to provide low impedance path for power distribution. Ensure adequate plane width and routing to handle current demands without excessive voltage drops. Ground plane design. Design a comprehensive ground plane to provide a stable and low impedance reference. Optimizing signal routing. Impedance control. Maintain a consistent impedance throughout the signal trace to ensure signal integrity and minimize reflections. This involves selecting the appropriate trace width, spacing and dielectric material. Differential pairs. Use differential pairs for high-speed signals to improve noise immunity and signal integrity. Thermal management techniques. Heatsink design. Select appropriate heatsinks for high power components to dissipate heat effectively. Consider the thermal resistance, size and mounting method of the heatsink. Airflow optimization. Maximize airflow around the circuit board to enhance heat dissipation. Use considerations for high-speed design. Signal integrity. Ensure signal integrity by minimizing signal deflections, distortion and crosstalk. This involves careful routing, impedance control and proper termination. Power integrity. Maintain power integrity to ensure consistent voltage levels for high-speed components. Optimize power plane design. Debugging and troubleshooting strategies. Testing verification. Thoroughly test the circuit board after fabrication to verify functionality and performance. Use appropriate test equipment and procedures. Signal analysis. Use oscilloscopes or other signal analyzers to examine signal waveforms and identify any anomalies. I hope you learned many things about PCB design tips and tricks from this video. If any queries, comment it in the comment box below. Don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe button. Thank you.